Nowadays, more than 40 crore of Indians are using internet. We people in India are going digital now. Indians from 16 to 30 age group watch television for 1.2 hours a day. But they spend almost double that amount of time online. Companies know these too, so they are using digital platforms to grow. In 2016, 16,850 crores were spent on digital marketing alone. Online shopping is a great example of this success story. Just 10 years ago, online shopping hit India. Today 4% of retail business takes place online. Just imagine how it will grow in next 10 years. But what does this mean for your career? Well, very soon all customers will be behind digital devices. To do business with these digital customers, companies need digital marketers. 87% of business rely on digital marketing. If you are just launching your career, this is great news for you. Complete a comprehensive course in digital marketing from Vision Upliftment Academy, one of the student trusted training institute. After doing this course, you can help customers making websites, social media, online ads and many more. You can check out any job portals. You will find 1000s of job vacancies in digital marketing. So take charge of your career. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact us to discuss your career aspects right away. If you find this video useful, share it.